Now getting some breaking news that's coming in. The Madras High Court has declared poll victory of OP Ravindranath. OP Ravindranath won from Theni Lok Sabha seat. OPS's son, only AIA DMK candidate to win in 2019. The High Court order on plea of poll fraud by OPS son. Let's go across to Dharani for more on this. Dharani, if you could please give us more details on this piece of breaking information that is coming in, that the High Court has declared poll victory of OP Ravindranath.
This is a very important information that is coming out from the Madras High Court. Justice S.S. Sundar has declared the victory of OP Ravindranath from Theni Lok Sabha constituency is null and void. So he is the lone MP for AIADMK from Tamil Nadu, and now his victory has been declared null and void by the Madras High Court. So this is in relation to an election petition filed by a voter from the same constituency called Milani. So in the petition, the petitioner alleged that OP Ravindranath did not close all his sources of income in the election affidavit. There is a suppression of sources of income in the election affidavit, and also during the election campaign, the voters were bribed in the constituency by this candidate, is what the petitioner is alleging in his petition. Now today, Justice S.S. Sundar of the Madras High Court has delivered this very significant judgment. But one important factor as far as this episode is concerned is that the judge has also given 1 month time for OPR to go for an appeal. So this order has been put on hold for 1 month. In the next 1 month, OP Ravindranath has an opportunity to go for an appeal in the Supreme Court. In fact, right now I'm being joined by the advocate of the petitioner, Mr. Milani. So he was the one who represented the petitioner in this case. His name is Mr. Arun. Sir, now this is a very significant judgment from the Madras High Court. So now the court has nullified the victory of OP Ravindranath from the Theni Assembly constituency. So during the election, I'm given to understand that he won the seat with over 70,000 vote margin. So what was the basis of your argument? What was the petitioner trying to say in his petition? What was the prayer?
Having the Parliament and the Supreme Court of India giving very, very wide scope to the wide respect to the electors of this nation, citizens. Each elector shall be given appropriate and full information of any of the candidates regarding their assets, liabilities, movable, immovable, foreign assets, overseas assets, and his asset, his wife, that is wife as spouse, and his dependents' assets also. All these things to be certainly, of course, fully disclosed in the election form 26. That is what the electors are given privileges to challenge, because they have right to know all particulars of their candidates.
So how has Ravindranath suppressed the income source?
Under the area, the constitutional right has been derived on the electors. The Milani found that when the election nomination forms were uploaded in the online websites of Election Commission India, he came to know that 2 shares of his company and the receipt of his salary, about 45 lakhs worth of annual salary, not been shown, and the worth of some liabilities regarding payment of the bank and other things not informed, expressed and submitted in the election form 26. Therefore, he found it. However, he was not allowed to participate in the scrutiny process as per the law. In between the time, at the time of scrutiny on 27/3/2019, one of the candidates, OP Tamil Children, who was contesting a rival candidate, he made objection of these issues. The returning officer cast upon mandate duty to conduct a summary inquiry regarding reception of any objections, wherein the candidate Ravindranath was very influential at the time. His father was Deputy Chief Minister. They simply influenced the returning officer, IAS officer. She also budged the influence, and without conducting the summary inquiry, accepted his substantially defective nomination of the OPR.
So